In figure, XY is parallel to AC and XY divides the triangular region ABC into two parts equal in area. Determine AX by AB ratio. Determine AX by AB ratio. So first what we'll do is take these two triangles like triangle BXY and triangle BAC. BXY BAC. First we'll try to prove these two similar and they gave this is parallel. So angle B equals angle B, which is common angle in both the triangles, and triangle BXY equals angle BAC. These two angles are equal. As these two lines are parallel, they are corresponding angles. So triangle BXY is similar to triangle BAC. If their triangles are similar, we can apply ratio area formula. Area of triangle BXY, because area's theorem is the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles. Here these two triangles are similar by angle corollary. So triangle area, the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratios of the squares of the squares of the corresponding sides, like BX by BA whole square. Now these two parts are equal in area. So this ratio will be 1 by 2. This part ratio will be 1 by 2 equals BX by BA whole square. Why it's 1 by 2? Because suppose these two triangles, and here BYX AC, suppose this is 10 centimeter square, so this is also 10 centimeter square. So BXY area is 10, BAC area will be 20, so ratio will be 1:2. So they gave these two parts are equal. So this is 10, this is 10, example I am telling. So total will be 20, this is 10. So 10 by 20 is 1. So square, send it to the other side. So it will be BX by BA equals 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So BX, I don't want in the answer, I want AX in the answer. So BX I'll write as AB minus AX. BX I'll write as AB minus AX by AB. AB minus AX by AB is 1 by root 2. So here AB by AB minus AX by AB. AB by AB is 1. So 1 minus 1 by root 2 is AX by AB. This is a solution, but if you want you can take LCM. So root 2 minus 1 AX by AB. So in this way we got the ratio of AX by AB. So thanks for watching.